Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will be a quick video for unboxing of this watch right inside this leather watch case. Before I start the video, I just want to share with you guys that recently Mirage sent me this. Thank you for that. I really appreciate the recognition that I done over at TikTok and on Instagram. But unfortunately, Mirage account got hacked. It was their Instagram account, so they have a lot of followers, about 10,000, and yeah, it was hacked, and now they have to they wasn't able to retrieve their account. So they have created a new Instagram account. I'll leave somewhere here about their new account so that you guys can follow them again. I just want to bring the word out because it's difficult to build 10,000 followers, and it's said that, and unfortunately their account got hacked. So we'll move on with the unboxing. I'll show you the watch is actually inside this single watch roll. As you can see, it's from Mirage. Yes, it's sponsored. It was given to me. I don't have to give it back. So yep, it's a beautiful one-piece watch roll. So I'll just show you guys the content I have. So from this black box, I believe you guys would have known what this box is about. So just gonna open and show you guys. So yep, this is the unboxing of my Panerai 683. So as you can see, this is a very nice box, utility box. So underneath the box, you will have the warranty, the cards, the info, the paperwork. Yep. So as you can see, the watch is actually also tested with a good amount of information here. It's tested. Then there's some serial number. There's a warranty card over here. So I got this used. Panerai watches, to be frank, don't hold their values very much. So if you are looking for the Panerai, do look out for them in the second-hand market. You'll save a couple of bucks and you will still enjoy the watch. So as you can see, the box is really beautiful. It comes with this matte finishing with the Panerai engraved in it. So the side looks like a very good waterproof. I don't think it's waterproof, but oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. So it's made in Italy, recycled ab shell. Okay, so with that, with a pinch, it should drop it out nicely. All right. So okay, so the watch is not inside it. As I mentioned, it's here in the Mirage watch case. But yeah, anyways, I'm using the cinematic video over here. I think it's quite cool. It focuses on what I'm trying to presenting here. I think it's quite nice. Okay, so with that, the watch comes with this rubber protection. Just in case you need an extra condom. So you have a strap changing tool, which I used a couple of times, so you can see the O is already quite faded. Quite simple. You just need to poke it, and the strap is changed. So it's something like a quick release system that Panerai made. So I'll show you the guys the strap. So it's a diving bracelet, and this is the toolkit. Diving bracelet is Velcro. Very interesting. I don't really enjoy wearing it on this, but it's something interesting. So blue stitching that matches the Panerai. So it's really nice. It's I think it's rubber, but finished like nylon. Blue stitching and made in Italy as well. But for this, I don't really wear it, so let's put it back. So originally, the watch kit comes with this beautiful and very comfortable rubber strap. So with the Officine Panerai logo on both sides. Nothing much on the inside, and for the buckle, there's a Panerai engraving here. Sorry, alright. Yep, so two straps from Panerai, but I'm currently wearing it on the NATO, so it feels very different for Panerai on NATO. So you can see here, Panerai Submersible. So with the submarine and two dudes right here. Okay, so I'll just put the box at the side. Show you guys the watch. So Mirage watch case. So it's very convenient, very lightweight. You can see the PAM is sitting on it comfortably. Most important things about travel watch case is that if they are loose here, your watch tends to move around. So when it's moving around, you see there's a small movement. But so more importantly, it's when you are traveling, you don't want it to move around, so you will get scratches here and there. But all these are suede leather, so you won't get all the scratches easily. So as you can see, I slide it out easily. So yes, my PAM is on the NATO strap. I know some of you guys don't like the idea of it, but because this is a 42mm PAM, it fits NATO really well and is really comfortable with NATO. So showing you guys PAM00683. Ceramic bezel in matte down. I love the blue highlights. That's why really attracts me so much, this watch. Same function, push the crown. So once you open, the first tick will be stopping, will be adjusting the date. The second one will be adjusting the time. So 42 millimeters in diameter, 50 meters lug to lug. So as you can see, the size is small itself really. So let me show you guys the case back. So very beautiful finish, officine Panerai. So there's also the submarine right there, submersible, as you can see at the bottom. So the push-pull pins is here. So when you push on these pins, then you just slide it here, the spring bar. Okay, there's no spring here, so the bar just comes out. All right. So I'll just put it on the NATO to show you guys a wrist roll. As today will be, I'm just doing a quick unboxing to show you guys what I'm wearing recently and what's inside the content of the Panerai box. So try to wear this properly. Alright, okay, there you have it. This is the PAM00683 on my 7-inch wrist. I tend to wear my watch above the wrist bone. So as you can see, for myself, what I looked out in watches is that I don't want the lug to be protruding out of my wrist. So you can see this fits really perfectly. It's not too bulky like the 44. Maybe for the 44, maybe it's a bit coming extending outwards a bit, but 42 is really a perfect size. Fits nicely, very slim profile because of the cushion case. Okay, wait, I'm getting out of focus here, trying to get the focus for the cinematic view. Okay, there you have it. So yep, with the PAM strap, guys, this is the PAM00683. Thank you guys for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed this quick video with me, and I'll see you next time. There will be more new watches, interesting watches that will be coming in your way. Yep, I'll keep you guys posted. See you guys. Cheers.